Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our post-game press conference. We have your head coach, Rafi Masuela, Fifi Sharma, and our player of the game, Dindin Santiago Manamba, of the Atari Chargers, who won in straight sets against the Capital One Solar Strikers. Coach, congratulations on getting back-to-back wins and the PBL still in contention for the playoffs. Anong masasabi mo sa naging performance ng team today?
Una-una, thank you sa again, credits naman talaga sa mga bata kasi medyo yung nagkaroon ng outcome naman yung pinaghirapan namin na training. Actually, medyo from the start, ang focus namin is going to sa Cherry. Dahil yun yung medyo mabigat din na kalaban namin. But yung sa Capital One naman kasi is nagkaroon din naman kami ng game plan. Kaya, yan. Yan naman.
Thank you, Coach. And for Fifi, what can you say about the team's performance today?
It was a good opportunity then for everyone to execute all of the strategies we've been practicing then these past couple of weeks kasi iba din talaga pag na-apply namin sa team. So as Coach Rafi mentioned, we're preparing talaga for Cherry kasi one of the top teams right now. So yun, yung mindset lang din namin is to perform our best this game regardless para din mabigyan kami ng kumpiyansa coming to the next couple games.
And for Dindin, you had 25 points today against Capital One. Ano lang din siguro yung naging motivation and preparation mo bago ng this match?
Ngayon kasi yung game namin, in-enjoy ko lang. And syempre, maka-perform kami na mailabas namin kung ano talaga yung team account. So every training, every game, kailangan lang namin talaga is enjoy and panalo yung mga bawat teams.
Thank you. Sorry, so open for question.
For Fifi, you've been leading the blocking department in the league so far. So I guess for you na, ano yung naging catalyst for your growth and improvement so far this conference?
Mostly talaga I focus on blockings and the main thing I prepare for sa mga games namin is kung paano ko mababantayan or paano ko makakatulong sa blocking department ng team ko. Kasi as a middle blocker, that should be your top priority. So sa tulong ni Coach Rafi and the other coaching staff, talaga tinutukan nila yung blocking namin. And alam ng mga teammates nila, talaga tinatrabaho namin yan every training. So nagbunga naman siya and I think are we the first block?
Ikaw.
But yeah, nag-reflect naman siya. But for me, like the individual things, it's not important. I mean, siguro bunga na lang din siya ng practice ko and everything na pinag-focus namin. So, yeah, I'm happy to hear that.
Coach, sa previous game, you mentioned about the improvement from your previous conference standings. Aside from making it to the semifinals, right now you improved again. Mas tumaas yung chances nyo. Next 2 games pa naman. Preparations na lang and then yung kumpiyansa ng team if you're going to make it to the semis.
Yes. Yun nga. As I said naman, yung previous game nga namin na parang ang mangyayari, manghihingi kami ng panalo din sa ibang doon na magkakaalaman ngayon kasi almost nagsisame na yung standing. So ito nga, yung target namin is to beat Cherry para at least mas maganda yung win-loss record namin.
Ay, din back against the wall na nga yung team. Ano na lang yung nagiging mindset mo dito sa mga remaining games mo?
Yung mindset namin is syempre mabigyan ng magandang laban si Cherry and si SGA. Syempre yung mga panalo namin talagang inaral din naman talaga namin yung mga team. And yun nga, mabigyan ng magandang laban itong last 2 games na.
For coach and the players, actually yung na-pick up yung parang nagkaroon kayo ng winning streak na yung medyo late na yung conference pero tayo nga po nasabi na you're still in contention for semi. So parang na lang siguro itutuloy pa natin paano pa mas magiging strong yung performance heading into yung crucial days including charity.
Yes. I think sa akin medyo may chemistry ni yung team namin eh. Short of period of this conference namin, medyo may dalawang bago, and then syempre ako, bago lang din ako sa team. It takes syempre 6 months, mga ganon, pwede mong makuha talaga yung chemistry ng team. So, habang paparating kami dun sa end of conference, dun talaga mag-meet yun eh. Hindi naman from the start. So, from the start naman, medyo mabibigat yung kalaban namin. Kaya, dito lang nagkakaroon ng magandang result yung team.
Agree din ako kay Coach Rafi kasi like undoubtedly yung the-develop ng chemistry yung pag-gel ng team talaga, it takes time. So, ang maganda lang siguro sa team namin is everyone is staying patient. So, kahit natalo kami or kahit like madaming challenges na pumupunta sa way namin, talaga tinatrabaho pa rin namin and nagtsatsaga kami and everyone keep showing up and they keep working hard. And yun, like, hopefully these remaining games, ma-showcase na namin yung pinaghirapan namin these past few months.
Copy paste.
Coach, siguro last question na lang. Any updates on Sad and si Trisha?
Yes, I think Trisha is okay na. Medyo konting recovery time pa lang. Siguro by next conference na siya. By next game siguro si Sen is okay. Makakalaban.
Thank you, Coach.
Thank you po.